Let's start by opening Krita or any other paint program. You can use Photoshop. We're going to be working with two colors and an image. You're going to use black and white, and then you can pick a Google image or draw it yourself. When you do open it, the file size does matter. So right now it's worked with, best for me is 900 by 900 and the resolution 90. Click Create, and then you're going to come over here to your background and you're going to unlock it. And then you're going to come over here to the paint bucket, click black, click the screen, fill it in black, and then you can lock it back. Go to your paint layer, and then this is the part where we're going to find the Google image. You can search any type of image. For me, I just searched paint splotch cartoon. You could really search anything, any shape interests you that you want to change to your actual capture, your video capture surrounding it. I do recommend picking something with a bigger center and smaller outside areas. That way you can capture like a chunk of your video. It is all personal preference, so you can play around with it, see what you like. For example, I click over here. I like this one. It's got a bigger center. And it also has a transparent background. So go ahead and click, right click, copy, go back to your main space, make sure that you're on the right layer, and then you can Control V or you can just paste it, click as web. Now we need to make this white. So come over to your camera, make sure the paint layer is clicked, click white, click your paint bucket, and then you can click the center. You can leave these little spots shaded in. You'll see some texture in the video. If you like, you can keep that. If not, you can just make it all white. For now, I'm just going to make them all white. Alright, so now you have your image. You're going to go to File. We're going to save it. Click Save As, and then name it whatever you'd like. And then you want to change your file type to PNG. Save and then press OK. And then you're going to go to either your OBS or your OBS Streamlabs, whichever one you use. Go down to your video capture and right click, go to filters. You're going to add a new filter. I'm going to turn off and hide this one, and then we're going to create a new one. You click the plus button in the bottom left corner, and then you're going to go to the image mask / blend. You can name it whatever you want, and then you're going to click browse, find your saved PNG file, open it, and you'll see the example right there. Press save, and then you can edit it. You can move it around, make it bigger or smaller. You find that the shape isn't really capturing as much as you like. I recommend changing the shape. The other thing you can do is just create a bigger canvas. Instead of the 900 by 900, you could make it something like 1200 by 1200, and that will capture more of your background. You can move it around however you like. Another cool trick, instead of creating a new one, you can go back to your original file. So in Krita, you can change the shape. Any changes that you make in here, you just click Save As, save it as the same file, and then it'll automatically update in OBS. It just follows that same file source, and it updates the picture in real time as soon as you click Save. So Save As, and then go back to your same document. And that's it.